currently 5:15 this morning. Looks like it just got done raining. The lake looks beautiful. About to go catch some fish on some top water. See how many fish we can catch. The lake just looks awesome. Try to catch as many fish as we can and see what happens. Maybe get some big fish. We're off. Time to get to fish and just gotta hook up the battery to the back. We'll be good to go. I'm gonna head to the other side of the lake. It's just flat, calm. Nobody else is out here. Probably start off with the top water. See if they're hitting that. But if they're not liking that, we'll switch to a spinnerbait, and that'll be good. They always like that, so such a great morning. Fishing my 7.6 bait caster. It's been old trusty. Got the buzzbait on there, but yeah, see if we can catch some fish. There we go. He smacked it. Ooh, it's a bass. I don't know how good he's hooked, but that was sweet. That was super cool. I was waiting for that. I don't think it's very big. None of the fish up here are, that big, but they put up a good fight. He's hooked pretty good. Nice. Obviously not huge, but it's still fun to catch fish out here, especially on the top water like that. Still super sweet. Kind of got it. Oh, there we go. Thanks, buddy. Move on to the next lure. See you later. Sweet. First fish on the board. It's always nice to get that, especially on the buzzbait. Wrap me up a little bit. Messed up my lure. Want to keep us moving so we're not drifting while I'm casting. Still some fish eating some topwater, so maybe throwing the frog after. The whopper popper. There we go. Nice. Gosh, I just love the spinnerbait. Always does really well up here. I'm not sure what this is yet. Looks like another bass. Sweet. He hit that one hard too. I think he choked this. Sweet. Super cool. It's not a terrible one, but yeah, not super big. Just net him. There we go. Nice. Another fish in the boat. Might keep this on for a couple more fish, just because I like catching fish. There. Fish on the spinnerbait. Not too bad. Get a release on this guy. There he goes. Such a cool morning out here. All right, sweet. Another fish down. Might stick with the spinnerbait for a couple more casts. Just works so well. Maybe catch a pike. Then we'll move on to the frog probably. Just get so many hits on this bait. It's every like 5 casts I'm getting a bite on spinnerbaits. There we go. Guy's tiny. Wasn't even looking. I don't know how you ate that. How'd you fit that in your mouth? Stop moving. How'd you eat that? Let this little guy go. See ya. All right, we're gonna move. We're gonna put the frog on. I'm gonna move to the one weed line. Alright, we're back and rolling. Ooh, that was a little bite. I don't know how big it was, but I got hit. This bass is absolutely ripping. It's one of the bigger fish I've caught today. It's actually a good one. Just got it in the net on the spinnerbait again. It's another really good fish. I'll take it out the net. It's a good way to end the day. Show you guys how big it is. Get this guy unhooked. No, definitely still not like a huge fish, but for this lake, it's definitely a pretty good fish. Definitely a solid fish. Really good day of fishing today. Caught the most of them. Caught the most of them on a spinnerbait. Couple on the top water, but yeah, not a terrible fish. Get a good release on this guy, and yeah, get out of here. She goes.